Every time we walk it out, and every time we turn around, brother Will, we all right down. You don't wanna be alone, and I'm running very grown, but it sounded like a joke. And we left at the dance, was a sapphire, give some flowers, because that's way too much. I'm just gonna say marshmallows.
That was cute. I am fighting on for these buggers to eat me alive. This is just like Naked and Afraid. I'm hungry, I'm tired, and my partner is so stupid.
We were like driving down the road right here, and then there was like one right here, and all I saw was pink. So I don't know.
What?
All I saw, it looked pink. I don't know why.
I don't know if you saw it moves.
It was. It didn't have horns though.
Horns.
Well, yep, there's whatever. Step on the bugs. Step on the bugs.
They ain't biting. We ain't fighting.
But it's wild.
Oh my god. He's trying to star in my movie. He's an unpaid actor. There's bigger things to be worried about.
Yeah, like tarantulas.
Like climate change. I'll tell you later. Oh my god. I don't like wetting my bangs when I cut them. Because then they shrink up too small, you know? I also have a very weird... Excuse me? Okay, I'm gonna cut off all that. And I hurt my finger with children's scissors. I need chicken meat scissors. Chicken meat scissors. What do you think about this for my MySpace profile picture? I think it's pretty. No. Maybe this angle. It's on the good side. These are good for bangs. Good bang cutting scissors. My camera's gonna die in like 2 seconds, so you better chop it off right now. Well, you want me to cut over here? Do it. It smells like haircut scissors. Where would your ideal meeting place be?
Meeting place?
M-E-T-I-N-G.
If he goes to the mall, he's a serial killer.
Friends.
Men don't go to the mall.
Star sportsman. Teacher. Engineer / manual laborer. Musical artistic. Obviously manual laborer. I was a labia. What personality do you want him to have? Sporty, muscular, kind, funny. Geeky, funny, protective, sweet. Clumsy,
Geeky, funny,
tall,
protective, sweet.
Funny, tall, dark, and handsome.
Oh, yeah. No.
That doesn't strike me as a...
Geeky.
Clumsy, tall, honest, and loyal, except for when he falls off the tractor and dies, so I get his inheritance.
That one!
What would your perfect home be? A cute apartment big enough for my family, but homely. Large OTT house. What does that mean?
On the terrace. Oh no. Dylan?
Dylan, we met at a
His gauges and tattoos, whatever.
He's
Your
not a
camera's
farmer.
back.
I'm really disappointed. This is why I only go on Farmers Only.
Yeah.
And Christian Mingle sometimes. You can find some good people there.
What about Mormon
Do you want
Mingle?
to see what I was wearing? The video cut off before I could show you what I was wearing when I met Dylan. And I figured you should know. So I'm just gonna guess that it was this. I was wearing the Dovahkiin outfit when I met him at the music festival. And he loved it. Rest in peace, Dylan. You fell off your tractor.